In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file in Goodday. Let's get started right from the Goodday workspace. First, make sure you're logged in and looking at the list of your projects. The very first thing you need to do is select the project where you want to bring in your CSV data. This is important because Goodday will import all of the information directly into the project you choose. So, take a moment to double check that you're opening the correct project, especially if you manage several at once. Once you've opened your project, look towards the top right area of the screen. You should see an icon with 3 dots, usually representing a More Options or Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Goodday places additional tools and actions that are related to your project but not always shown by default. So it's where you'll find the import option. After you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this list, look for the option that says Import from CSV. Click on Import from CSV to open the import interface. If you don't see it right away, scroll through the menu carefully, because it may be grouped with other data or project actions. Now you'll be taken to a dedicated import page or window. Here, you'll see an area that usually says something like Drop CSV file here or click to upload. At this point, make sure your CSV file is ready on your computer. Ideally, your CSV should have clear column headers such as task name, description, due date, and assignee so that Goodday can recognize and map them correctly. You have 2 ways to upload the file. You can drag and drop the CSV directly from your computer into that upload area, or you can click on the area to open your file browser, then navigate to your CSV file and select it. Once the file is attached, Goodday will begin processing it. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Goodday will typically guide you through mapping each column from your CSV to the appropriate fields in the project, such as task title, start date, or priority. Take your time during this step, reviewing each field to make sure the information is going to the right place. When everything looks